Okay, so y'all seen how quick that went in real life, in real time. I just wanted to preface this with, you just seen a master doing this, so don't expect that you're gonna start out exactly there. It's over 3 decades of experience, properly tuned up bandsaw, but this is something that a lot of times you're standing around at a market. This gives you something to do while you're there. It helps you hit that $50 an hour point that I'm always talking about to try and hit as far as covering your overhead and cost and everything. It also creates crowds at markets. And then this is also something that you can do if you don't want to sell stuff. These are really easy to just do for the whole family and give away for Christmas. So check out we'll put some links in the description so that you can see his videos on how to tune up a bandsaw and videos on how to make the reindeer themselves so that you guys can get started on this project yourself. Thanks a lot, Alex.
Thank you, Stoane.